Some of the visuals are so creative, actually and on top of that, everyone is perfect to the storyline, and so by simply so most of the time they're either screaming at each other, and I think the director must have told Taylor Julie at some point that if he stops smiling for even 1 second, she'll get fired. Not much else to see here. Let's go ahead and just shoot the
I think they realize this is fucking agriculture. Like, well, like my house. You know what? It's just the best thing.
I can't believe people get like that.
Guys, I'm sorry for the whole
Not start taking longer, but it does have may recognize from being on the FBI's most wanted. Really disappointing that they let her act in this movie instead of just arresting her on the spot, but particularly the other Taylor does come back to reprise her beloved role as Lala Girl. I gotta say, this actress has not had the best luck throughout her career. She's only been in a handful of movies, and believe it or not, according to IMDb ratings, the best one is this movie. So I think we're in for it. Basically, Weekend Heroes is just for Lala Girl, but then music. It's like SpongeBob, just a bit of a modern.
Honestly, now for my social friends,
I do that too. Turquoise and Lava Girl are
so many kind souls. I really need to improve, but I can't bring myself to say this.
Am I crazy for thinking that maybe it's time to start calling them Shark Men? At this point, it just seems a little degrading to be like, hey, Shark Men. I just turned 30. The premise of this movie is actually pretty funny. All of these kids are children of the heroes, so they all have like underdeveloped offshoots of their parents' superpowers. Like this kid's dad is super fast, but he's super slow. This one girl can just sing really well. That's a cool. This kid makes funny faces.
I can even change my face to look like you.
But then disaster strikes while they're all locked inside Spy Kids headquarters, where they have to watch their parents get taken down by aliens on TV. It's pretty emotional. I actually cried for about 20 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, creep of the zombie.
I hope the news studio gives their graphic designer a raise. He made that entire logo in like 3 seconds.
I'm getting word that the president would like to address the nation.
I think he's having a existential crisis.
Hold on, I'm like 99% sure that guy was also president in the Spy Kids, which means he's been in power for like 19 years. Is the Spy Kids president a dictator? This movie's dystopian as hell.
Come on, don't be like that. Let's go have some fun instead. He's so chill.
How did this guy ever get to be
That's
president?
not very nice.
He
Let's
can't
try
even
and have
put
some
2
fun together,
sentences
okay?
together.
Nice,
Say a
I see what they did
swear
there.
word.
Political commentary always hits the
I'm gonna
hardest
test
in
how chill
children's
this guy
movies.
really is. Oh no,
So
please
don't
don't.
ask us
Let's just
how
have
we
fun
know
and
this,
forget
but
about that.
aliens are about to attack, and we're no longer safe here.
This place is a fortress. Nothing's getting in. And I'm afraid no one's getting out either.
Sorry, kids, but you can't leave this room. It's too dangerous out there. And if we gotta kick your ass to keep you safe, then that's what we're gonna do.
The UK's most trusted pregnancy test brand.
She's got shark string!
You know that thing in video games when an NPC is following you around and they get stuck on like a wall or something, but then you turn the camera and they teleported right next to you? That's what this character does. Because I looked and he is nowhere to be found during all of these chase scenes, and then the doors to the train close and there he is.
Never should have
Oh
come
my god, I actually feel like a bad person. Maybe this is giving an insight into my soul. If you let me loose in the real world, there's no the repercussions? Is this really what I do?
Do these two
I'd
not
like to
have
think
regular
no, but
names?
maybe,
Imagine
maybe
not
I'm
only
learning
being
something about
married
myself
to
today.
Shark
Holy
Boy,
shit.
but you
Maybe I
also
need to
have
turn
to
over
call
a new
him
leaf.
Shark Boy.
You know, I've
Can you
been
just go by like
very
Steve?
violent.
I like how super early on in the movie they realize that this one girl can draw the future and they can use that to get out of whatever predicament they're in. But then every time they get stuck, they still have to have that same epiphany.
Wow, that's really smart. Oho drew us a clue.
Look,
I got it.
I'm trying
We should
to
just
be
look at
nice,
her drawing.
okay? And
That's
they
a
give me
great
a hard
idea,
time,
and a
okay?
brand new
Okay,
one
well,
too. But
the
make
sun
sure
is
we forget
rising.
about this, so
I'm
there's
gonna
still
try and make
tension
my way
next
back
time.
home.
I need a pair of pliers and a
Piss
heat
off.
source.
Hey,
My
random
teeth are stronger because my
fucking
dad's a
chicken.
shark.
You don't have to
Bumblebee.
explain that
Let's
every
go on
time.
an
We
adventure.
understand
He
the
really
genetics.
just-
And I have
I'm
a
gonna
fin
say
on
this
my
guy-
back
he's
because